Hey everybody, this is Sam and welcome back to Production Level 1. This is going to be lesson 2 and today we're going to be going over microphones. So let's just jump on in. So in this lesson, we were going to go over what microphones are, the types of microphones, and their polar patterns. So what is a microphone? Okay, well, a microphone is a piece of recording equipment that captures acoustic sound and transforms it into audio. Okay, question to answer then. How many types of microphones are there? And the answer is there are actually 3. And here are the 3 main types of microphones. We've got dynamic mics, condenser mics, and ribbon mics, okay? And a characteristic of a dynamic mic is that it tends to have a cardioid polar pattern. Condenser mics always require phantom power, and ribbon mics are always figure of 8, okay? And so what are polar patterns? Well, polar patterns are another way of categorizing what direction a microphone is able to capture sound from. So the question then becomes, how many polar patterns are there? There are 3 main polar patterns. Okay, we've got cardioid, figure of 8, and omnidirectional. Cardioid is going to pick up sound from the front of the microphone, meaning if the microphone is here, it's going to pick up just in front of it, not from behind it. Figure of 8 is going to pick up sound from the front and from the back of the microphone, not from the sides. And omnidirectional is going to pick up sound in all directions. Okay. And the point of understanding here is understanding microphones is a big topic. To that, as the levels continue, information will be added to further develop your foundation to answer the following questions. What microphone do I need? And how to get the best sound from the microphone I already have. Okay, and some questions to think on is how do I connect a microphone and what is a preamp? Good job on this one, and we'll see you on the next one.